Welcome back to my channel. I will be doing a red eye makeup look and it's gonna get nice and fancy. This is gonna be all red. Red everything, red brows, red everything, all red, a whole lot of red. So I already used my Smashbox primer, so then I'm gonna do my foundation. It's going to be the Infallible 24 Hour and the color. What color are you, sis? Cocoa. Yeah, 312 Cocoa. And then this one, Il Maquillage. Oh, this is L'Oreal. Y'all know it's L'Oreal. And the color is Woke Up Like This. And the color 195. I'm just gonna put those on and I'll be right back. Damn. This color is mad light on me. But I mix it with this one so it gives me like that color that I want. I put it directly on my brush. It's pretty thick, but you can see the color difference. This one's like way too yellow for me, but I blend it in anyway. See, look how it looks. I always drop it. It always drops. I'm making a big old mess as usual. Okay. Okay, come through color. My baby hairs look like shit. Don't grill me. Blend that neck. Eyeshadow I will be using today is from Mocha Cosmetics Rainbow Palette. Love this. Love these colors. So this is the red here. For eyeshadow, I will be starting in my crease with brown from Morphe Cosmetics. The color is Peachy Keen. And I'll show you. This one here. We'll put that in a crease. Just looks for a base. Where's my mirror? Okay, it's right here. Let me zoom in. I'm gonna use my Morphe brush and just go right in. Just right above the crease. And blend. Just blend, that's it. Right above the crease. There we go. All right now, blend it. Okay, so now we're done with that. We're just gonna put on some concealer. Let's see, it's the same concealer that I had on a little spongy brush here. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. Good amount. I'm just gonna put that right here. Oh, I'm blocking it. That makes no sense. I'm gonna move in a little bit. Like a little faux cut crease. Oh, mind your business, mind your business. Here we go. This one here. Looks like red too, but it's like an orangey color. So this is red. I'm gonna put that right over where we put the concealer. apply the red eyeshadow. We're looking all whole lot of red, and we're just going to blend it in with the brown. Let me see, make you see, like right in there. All right, so we just blend it out, and then we're gonna put like a darker brown in the outer corner. Let's see. Let's blend it. Alright, so everything's blended. So now, Morphe palette. And the color is going to be this one here. There we go. Just like that. There we go. I'm just gonna blend some. Ooh, that's cute. I like it like this. I'm gonna add some highlight to this look. Morphe palette again in this red. Is it this one or this one? This reddish pinky. We're gonna be doing that one. I think it is pink actually, but it's cute. I'm gonna put it on there as our highlight. Right underneath the brow. You see that? Pink. It's cute though. I like it. Something different. And you kind of blend it in with the brown, and it's cute. Little highlight. Okay. This brush is huge, but I love it. Puts the product right where I want it, though. There you go. And you're just gonna go up in here, and the bow, right underneath the brow. Okay, so we're just gonna blend it out with our brush again. Morphe. There we go, and the look is done. I'm still waiting for them to dry, and then I'm gonna do my concealer. I think I'm gonna do my contour first, and then my concealer. But yeah, they're still drying. Look at my lashes. They are Dallas from Sumptuous Beauty. Favorite lashes. Ooh, concealer. Let the concealer set for a little bit. Look at my eyes. And the concealer that I use is Milani in the color Warm Tan. Concealer blended, honey. Concealer is blended out. I'm about to set the foundation and the rest of this with my Airspun. I use a lot of powder. Oh my gosh, it's so messy all the time. Powder is just it. Alright, so put the powder on. Okay. Your nose too. Up here. And everywhere you highlight it. So you're gonna set everywhere you highlight it, basically. Finished setting my face. For my lips, I'm gonna do my lips right now. Fenty Beauty Unbutton, and I'm gonna use Mocha Cosmetics lip gloss. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on right now. It don't have to be perfect because I'm putting lip gloss on top. It's like the perfect nude. You blend it in with your lips. It's kind of like if I put concealer on my lips and let it dry, and then I'm gonna put this on. It's the finished look. Look at that, looking cute. So I'm gonna go back and Mocha Cosmetics. Actually, this is really pretty by itself. Even we're gonna use this one as our inner corner highlight. With a tiny little brush. This is like a really pretty color from Mocha Cosmetics. So pretty. You don't even have to wet the brush or anything. You can to make it more intense. On this side is mixing with the pink a little bit, so I'm gonna wet the brush. Just some like spray, just water. Doesn't mix really. Oh, there we go. There's that intensity. Look how much better it is with the spray, but you don't need it. It's just over top of this red. There we go. Inner corner done. So cute. Do the rest of my face. Contour with powder. Contour with some here. Blush, Milani, Coral Cove. I need a new blush. I'm gonna do light blush today. If that's even a thing. Okay, that's good. NYX banana powder. I'm gonna use my sponge today. See if it gives me a different effect. My hair looks a mess. I hate it. Don't tell trash. Oh. Wow, that's a lot. Really brightens up underneath there. It is highlight time, so I'm gonna spray my brush and spray my face. So where I'm gonna put the highlight on. And we're gonna be doing the same color we did up here. From, wait, no, not here. From Morphe. I don't know what color it is actually. It is Color Persona. So we use that. And just gonna blend it into the blush. It's cute. You blend it down into the blush. So your nose here. So I'm just gonna blend it in with everything else. Done with that. Then we're gonna spray it again and use our original highlighter, Milani Day Glow, and we're just gonna put that on top because we don't want it too pink, just like a hint of pink. There we go. The Day Glow on top. That glow. Oh my gosh. Stay on over here. The finished look, you want to just do the pale nude lip. This is it. The red tinted brows, the red eyeshadow. We look really cute, very fun. I'm gonna top it off. It smells so good. Gorgeous. This pink color, I don't really like pink, but this is such a beautiful color. It goes with the look, a whole lot of red and pink look. Looking cute and fun. I hate my hair. I'm sorry, it looks really bad to me. But yeah, this is the look. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my little red eye tutorial. And look, this is a fun look. It's not for everybody, but I like it and I think it looks cute. So, bye.